Hello, welcome to 504 Absolutely Essential Words. This is Teacher Jayer from camglish.com. Our episode for today is more on Lesson 4's applications and exercises. So let's start with words in use. I'll read to you this passage and see or listen how the new words are used in it. A fan in the air. Fog, tiny droplets of water vapor, is the villain of the airports. In an effort to eliminate dense fog from airports, weathermen utilize giant fans, nylon strings, and chemicals dropped from planes or shot upwards from strange machines on the ground. Nothing works as well, though, as a new weapon in the fight against fog: the helicopter. Researchers believe that if warm, dry air above the fog could somehow be driven down into the humid blanket of fog, the droplets would evaporate, thus clearing the air. In a recent experiment to test their theory, the researchers had a helicopter descend into the fog above barely visible Smith Mountain Airport near Roanoke, Virginia. The blades of the helicopter caused the air to circulate downwards, and an enormous hole in the clouds opened above the airport. Weathermen predict that with larger, more expensive helicopters, they will be able to make the thickest fog vanish. See how the words or these words that we learned these past few episodes are used in this passage? Now, let's take a look at this picture. In this picture, which of the words studied in this lesson or in our previous lessons is suggested by the picture? So take a look at it carefully and say what vocabulary is being suggested here. The answer is predict. Now let's go with the exercise. So for this time, we're going to have just half of this exercise, and then we're going to continue this for the next episode. So let's have number 1. If we have one more hot blank day, you will be able to persuade me to move to Alaska. What is your answer? The answer is humid. If we have one more hot, humid day, you will be able to persuade me to move to Alaska. Number 2. In the show, the magician waved his wand to make a lady blank. What's your answer? The right answer is vanish. In the show, the magician waved his wand to make a lady vanish or disappear. Number 3. The hair on his head was so blank, a special pair of scissors was used to thin it. What is your answer? The answer is dense. The hair on his head was so dense, a special pair of scissors was used to thin it. Number 4. Since he has passed all his subjects, I'll blank that he will graduate. What is your answer? The answer is predict. Since he has passed all his subjects, I'll predict that he will graduate. Number 5. The blank in the movie was played by an actor who was able to look mean. What is your answer? The right answer is villain. The villain in the movie was played by an actor who was able to look mean. Number 6. Blank rose out of the valve on top of the steam engine. What is your answer? The correct answer is vapor. Vapor rose out of the valve on top of the steam engine. So we'll just stop here and we're going to continue answering numbers 7 onwards for our next episode. So I hope you liked it and I'll see you again next time. Have a good day. Goodbye.